I couldn't believe how much these few tricks increase my chicken's egg production. Many chicken owners lose up to half of their egg yield in autumn simply because they ignore a few simple tricks that truly make a difference. Stay with me and I will show you how to easily prevent that drop and help your hens reach their full laying potential again. Autumn is usually the season when egg production suddenly decreases. The days become shorter, there is less light, the weather turns colder, and hens naturally slow down and lay fewer eggs. But there are several effective things you can do to help them continue producing steadily. The first and most important factor is food. During autumn, hens need a richer and more energetic diet because they burn more energy to stay warm and maintain their health. That means you should provide enough protein, grains such as corn and wheat, and supplements that strengthen the eggshell, like calcium and vitamin D3. You can crush and give them eggshells, ground oyster shells, or limestone. Adding fresh herbs like nettle, parsley, or dandelion is also beneficial. And on colder days, offering them a warm porridge made with oats and a little corn gives them both comfort and extra energy. A small amount of sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds can also improve their overall vitality and feather quality. The second crucial factor is hygiene and the fight against parasites. During long autumn nights, hens spend much more time inside the coop. If they are irritated by mites or lice, they cannot rest properly, become nervous, and egg production drops quickly. For this reason, the chicken coop must be cleaned regularly. Remove old bedding and disinfect the corners where parasites like to hide. I use a completely natural spray made from half a liter water, 100 milliliters of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lavender tea, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Pour into a spray bottle and spray the perches, nesting areas, and places where hens sleep. A few drops of lavender or peppermint essential oil can make the mixture even stronger. It is also important to provide the hens with a place filled with sand and ash so they can naturally bathe and remove parasites from their feathers. The third and possibly most important element in autumn is light. Hens need between 12 and 16 hours of daylight to keep their bodies in egg-laying mode. Light stimulates the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which then trigger hormone production responsible for ovulation and egg formation. When daylight drops to around 10 hours, their production naturally declines. You can solve this by placing a small LED light in the coop that turns on early in the morning or stays on for a while in the evening to extend the day. Avoid strong heaters or old lamps that could cause a fire. LED lights are safe and energy efficient. Ideally, the light should turn on gradually and give the hens about 13 or 14 hours of light in total. This gentle trick fools their biological rhythm and helps them continue laying eggs even during shorter autumn days. Finally, make sure your hens have peace, dry and warm bedding, and a feeling of safety. Calm and comfortable hens that have good nutrition, no parasites, and enough light will reward you with a noticeably higher egg yield. Even when the weather gets colder, I have seen an incredible difference since I started following these methods, and I am sure you will too. Take care of your hens, and they will thank you with plenty of fresh eggs every day. See you in the next video.